Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about GME, GameStop. Good news. One of the major short sellers publicly said they've exited their short position on GameStop because of the cash that they have on hand and because of the retail investors being so aggressive. Look, it says GameStop surges, top short sellers bow out on mob mentality. This is just released today. Okay, June 12th. Citron Research on Wednesday announced it was no longer shorting GameStop stock due to GameStop's amassed cash holdings. The video game retailer late Tuesday announced it secured more than $2 billion in proceeds from its latest equity offering. GME stock surged early Wednesday to add to its rally Tuesday. Citron is no longer short GME, the firm posted on social media Wednesday morning. It's not because we believe in a turnaround for the company fundamentals will ever happen, but the $5 billion with a B in the bank, they have enough runway to appease their cult-like shareholders. They've got $5 billion now, guys. I thought they only had $4 billion after this deal. I don't know. They're saying in this article they have $5 billion with a B. Despite Wedbush setting an $11 target today, we respect the market's irrationality. After all, Dogecoin remains a $20 billion entity. Citron continued, citing the meme cryptocurrency. Wedbush early Wednesday lowered its price target on GameStop from $11 to $13.50 and maintained an underperform rating on shares, the Fly reported. The firm cited completion of GameStop's second equity offering in its span of a month. Wedbush assumed GameStop would complete the sale at an average price of $40 per share. However, GameStop on June 7, the day of the offering, closed at $28 per share. While the increased share count might temper the mob mentality, Citron will be watching from the sidelines for now. They said on its post on X, BTW, the Kitty livestream was still an insult to the capital markets. The post continued, referencing meme trader Keith Gill's June 7 livestream on GameStop stock. Gill, known as Roaring Kitty online, is a key investor in the meme stock rally and one of the original drivers of GameStop's spike in 2001 and 2020. Money in the bank. Elsewhere, late Tuesday, GameStop said it's generated $2.137 billion in proceeds after selling 75 million shares as part of an at-the-market equity offering that was announced on June 7, the same day. GameStop missed estimates for Q1, resulting during an earlier-than-scheduled release. GameStop said it plans to use the proceeds for general corporate purposes, which may include acquisitions and investments. Interesting. Will they buy another company? Will they buy AMC Theaters? Some people are saying they might buy AMC Theaters. I don't think they will, and I don't think that's a good purchase because AMC's $5 billion in debt. Unless AMC files for bankruptcy, wipes out the debt, and then GameStop buys them. Now that's interesting, isn't it? Now that's an opportunity. The offering was GameStop's second equity offering in less than a month. The retail generated $933 million after selling 45 million shares from previous May 17. Separately, GameStop in mid-May also filed a self-registration statement with SEC, allowing companies to issue more stock to sell at future date in one or more rounds. That's not good, in my opinion. They'll just dilute us again. The filing noted that GameStop's charter allows it to issue up to 1 billion with a B shares of common stock and up to 5 million shares of preferred stock. There were 306 million shares of GME common stock outstanding as of May 4th. GameStop said it plans to use the future proceeds from the offering for working capital and general corporate purposes, as well as potentially invest in certificates of deposit, CDs, and U.S. Treasuries. GameStop jumped about 4% on Wednesday after briefly reversing to trade more than 3% lower in the morning. Shares rallied 22% on Tuesday. GME rallied nearly 32% so far this month through Tuesday. The meme stock has vaulted almost 74% in 2024. That's it. What do you guys think? Hit like, subscribe, and notifications. Comment below. What do you think about it all? Make sure you hit like as well, guys. GameStop now has $5 billion. You heard from this article published today by investors.com, Wednesday, June 12th. $5 billion with a B cash in the bank. You know how much money they can make per quarter just on interest on their investments? You know, what's 10% of 5 billion? What is that, 500 million? What's 5%? 250 million? You telling me they can't make 5%? They're going to make 250 million APR on that very conservatively. And 250, not APR, but I meant to say $250 million in a year on interest. with the $5 billion. And that's like figuring super, super, super low. They're going to make a lot more than that probably. But they're also looking at investments, right? Other investments like acquisitions. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.